Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to go over what my latest purchase was, which is a Dewalt DW735X. Last time I used a plane was back in high school in woodshop, and that was a big old Grizzly, I believe it was. So this is going to be all new to me again because I haven't done this in forever. So let's get started on this. Side plates. Extra blades, manual. This is 92 pounds and I only want to lift this onto my table saw once. Definitely 92 pounds. It's a flat spot there, a flat spot on the shaft. I just figured out I need to level both sides instead of just right down the middle. So okay, I'm going to be plating mostly all fence pickets. So this has 2 speeds on it, which it does not move until you start it. So I'm going to run this one through at the speed number 1, which the feed is a little bit faster, and then speed number 2, which is the feed is a little bit slower. So we'll see how this works. I'm not sure what the depth is going to be because this is supposed to be 1/2 inch, and it is just a hair over 1/2 inch, a heavy 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to feed these through. Speed number 1, speed number 2, and we'll see what happens. Speed number 1, it's going to travel a little bit faster. Speed number 2 is going to slow the travel down. So let's get this run up, see what happens. Okay, let's take this down to a 1/2 inch. That's what that is over there. That stopped at a 1/2 inch. So let's go through with 5/8. See what happens. I'm going to set this side at a 1/4 inch on the stop. We're going to take it at a 1/2. So the last pass is it bottomed out at a 1/2 inch. I'm going to take this down to a 1/4 inch, and I think I'm going to drop this about a, I don't know, 1/2 inch. About a 1/16 of an inch we're going to go with right there. Okay, let's see if the gauge will show us what's going to happen here. It says gauge reads roughly a 32nd of an inch, but So we'll go from there. I guess that's where I put it. So all total, I took 3/16 of an inch off there, a quarter of that. Let's see, what's the measurement say? Should be 5/8, okay. 3/8, yeah. According to the gauge, it should be 3/8. So it's not quite right. It's more like 7/16. So yeah, it's a 1/16 of an inch off. It's not that big of a deal for me. I'll just have to remember that. I can adjust that. As of right now, I am not going to adjust from that because it's just fine. So hope you enjoyed today's video of my unboxing, use, and review of the Dewalt DW735X. Any comments or suggestions down below? Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And click the notification bell for when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.